started operations on the Northeast store back in 2016. Back then, we didn't have any funding. It was just a clear idea, determination, and the willingness to figure things out. Today, we've built something solid with a very good customer base, a strong team, and we are growing year over year.
We have been running Eurotech Private Limited for 6+ years. And last year we have crossed 18 lakhs plus in revenue. It has been a steady growth, not just in sales, but how we have expanded, reached new markets, and built a stronger customer base. Every year we have grown, and now we are ready to scale up even further.
Our vision has always been to go beyond just local reach. We've built the foundation, now it's about scaling up, expanding into the new market, improving capacity, and also strengthening our brand. We want to create more jobs, adopt better technology, and also build something from Meghalaya that stands out anywhere.
When you've built the basic, the next step is about scaling with the right exposure and backing. It's not just a competition, but it's a platform for businesses like ours to reach to a wider audience and also to connect with people who can help us grow and really unlock the next level.
The Meghapreneur Startup Challenge is a statewide search to find the top 5 startups that will represent Meghalaya at the grand pitching segment of the Meghapreneur Expo 2025. It's a unique challenge for startups to showcase what they've built, get real visibility, connect with investors, and take their business to the next level.
If you want to participate in this statewide search, here is what you will need. You need to be a resident of Meghalaya. You should be adult Indian citizen. Your business should be registered as a private limited company or about to register. Your business should have a turnover of at least 35 lakhs or have a strong growth potential. You should have a working product or service. You should have a year-on-year growth. You should be focused on job creation. You should have a solid team, innovation in your product or service or model, and your business should be ready to adapt or already using technology. Pure trading businesses or family extensions will not qualify. This is for original founder-led businesses and startups only.
From across Meghalaya, 25 startups will be shortlisted to pitch in the next round, and 5 will get a chance to represent the state at the Meghapreneur Expo 2025.
We have built through struggle. Now let's build with support. Let's build Meghalaya.
Ka HYC Ranikor Circle kelalit jurep yaga Veterinary Center kebadan hakashnong Nongnah haga District Southwest Khasi Hills. Kebalate yaga snem arajar khatsan. Bad kalasyam bagane ke center kam syam na Treikam Satya bad la shuye kongreng no ya kane ke center. Ka HYC Ranikor Circle hap ogajinglamu President Ubili Karlartang. Rengkat gidkhot haka kalai trek unai luar arajar arpusan kilahir jurep yaga Veterinary Center kebadan hakashnong Nongnah haga District Southwest Khasi Hills. Kebam syam na Treikam Satya labun teliki snem. Kaseng agane gejing jurep kalapen paw ya kejing sokya ban lap agane ke center bala shuie no kongreng. Khlem dapen Treikam wat yala kajiang kebala bantai bat shnab haru. Uba bili Karlartang lengba kerwa uliatho bayakane ke Veterinary Center latena do snem arajar katsan. Ndega basungsi kalong bahadu menta kam syam na Treikam Satya. Kasenge kejukupor kakentu yu MLA MDC Ranikor constituency uba Pius Marwen untuk lar bat Khlem magabede bakane kanang banyo benawan ra aginong trei bat ban pentre kamno eka kanang bagi pat ba jong ne kathan kin yo ikjing mentoy leng ba kejingdon jong ne Veterinary Center.
Adin bangilayo ya ka jing ujor na kipai ban jong jong kathan ha kabede bat kane ka Veterinary sebentar badan Nongnah ya kaba kamsyam la Treikam Naduh snem ubala de bante ya ka ni ka Veterinary la te snem ajar khatsan pat hadu kini ki snem la ya de post snem kam sem na Treikam pat kan long sia kata ka jing dunang ka bakhaw yakinong rep babon paro yakinong ri jingri te kum kan ni ka pon ka lan jungi lap bat ni siam bro ba kan ni ka Veterinary center ka badan han ni po sinong nongnah kalong kata ka jaka ka ba I sanmet hadu kata ma kiyet ki ying gisam la sedang banjot lot mereka sarkar kam sem pri te nakalyang jungi ka HYC ran ko circle ni kerpat yau MLA ba Pius Marwen ya ka ba un sim Khlem kaban yakran pan la pan plino ya ka ne ka Veterinary agent ta khang bakan ai jing mentoi ya ki ba jong ka dong ka tha ji baro oi